Hello, my name is Marc. I'm 33 years old. I'm a product and trade designer since 2008. I started the course Sketchbook the Pro in last November, and now I draw around 1 or 2 hours per day. The main question is, why am I follow the course? And the answer it's very simple. Few years ago, I started to be shame of my sketch, and at the end, I didn't sketch at all, and it wasn't a good solution for a product designer, and especially to communicate my idea and explain my concept. I felt misunderstanding. And so last November, I decided to follow the course to increase my sketch skill and to draw what I have in my hand, especially product design and sport equipment. So with Chou-Tac, to learn and practice sketch, it's pretty easy and very simple. You have to watch the video. You take few minutes, 4 or 5 minutes. You take your pen and sheet of paper. You draw, just drawing. You try, and after a few courses, you can enjoy your evolution. And you share your draw with other people like you, uh, and you have a feedback about it. So it's very helpful, and you have a good motivation to draw every day. So do not hesitate to follow this course if you want to learn a sketch. It's a good way. Thank you very much. Have a good day and have fun. Bye bye.